Was Welcome to my YouTube channel. eCash it's a YouTube channel that teaches you how to make money in 2022. When I said it teaches you how to make money, I mean teaching you how to make legal and genuine money. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can make $10 every 20 minutes by just testing products for companies, and you get paid instantly. Without wasting much of your time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get latest updates. First of all, to learn how to make $10 in every 20 minutes by testing products of companies, all you have to do is open your Chrome. Then before I proceed, I want to let you understand how it works. There is this website that pays you to test products for companies. Big companies in the world like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Adidas, every other big company that you know, before they produce any product, they first of all test it to the market to know if the market will accept it. The market are the people that are going to buy. You are the market. You are part of the market that will buy their product. So before they produce, they go into large scale production of products. They do what we call a marketing research to test their products, to kind of give a small percentage of the product to people to check the acceptability of that product. All you have to do is go to user testing. Usertesting.com. You can see it from my phone, and you work with your phone. You are not going to work with your laptop, or you work anywhere in the world. Then usertesting.com, as it opens, yes, this is the website. Now let's go down to let you understand how it works. Okay, let's click on get paid to test. How it works, we are user testing. How it works, look at it. Influencers, the biggest brand, latest technologies and innovative companies, while earning some extra pending money. Yes, you influence biggest brand, you apply, submit you just register. They don't need, just register with your email, and once there are products to be tested, you'll be notified. Test, share your perspective via test you match with, and help company and help class brand improve their product and services. Yes, you can make money. Earn $4 for every 5 minutes test, $10 for every 20 minutes test, and $30 to $120 for live interviews. Make your voice heard. Do you know one thing about this is that you can get hired by most of these big companies. I know people that have been hired because of the insights and intelligence feedback that they gave. After testing, they said, no, this company, this products will be good if it should be done in this way, and the person was employed immediately and into their marketing field. So these are the companies that are trusted by them: GoDaddy, Subway, over 2,500 customers around the world, 1.5 takes in 2020. Are you seeing it? It is paying, guys. It is paying. Then if your country is not being accepted, all you have to do is use a VPN services, and you can register and start making money anywhere in the world. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is the only gain that we gain from you, our lovely viewers. Thank you, and God bless you. Please, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Thank you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.